Every week, someone asks me if AI is going to replace quilters. And every week, I say the same thing. A tool does not replace you, it just shows you where your judgment lives. I'm Theresa Benson, the AI Quilter, and after 30 years working in technology, industrial, and AI companies as a product and marketing leader, I made a decision to stop explaining these tools to just boardrooms and to start explaining them to makers. Because honestly, makers ask really good questions. I've taught in countless guilds and libraries across the country. I'm a multiple QuiltCon faculty member, and I wrote the book on this literally. It's called Digital Muse. The short version of everything I do is this: the conversation around AI is either overblown or oversimplified, and neither one actually helps you make better work. So, I translate. My lecture, The Future of Quilting is Human, is usually where guilds start. We look at what these tools actually do, where they can genuinely help, and where your creative instincts still have no substitute. It's the talk people tell me they didn't know they needed until they were in the room. Then there's color, my second love. Anxiety free color theory gives you a real framework for pulling fabric with intention instead of anxiety and helps you use the fabric you have. Value, temperature, saturation, organized around the color wheel so it stops being a guessing game and you finally get it. And playing with color is where we get our hands into it, literally. Unexpected combinations and the decisions that make a quilt feel alive rather than just correct. And yes, I also teach Going Commando. Commando appliqué is my signature fusible web technique. Complex shapes, clean edges, actually finished. If you've been fighting intricate applique and losing, then that class might be for you. And that's not even the whole list. If you have something specific in mind that you don't see in my lineup at the aiquilter.com, I build custom programming also. Every session is practical. You'll leave with something that you can use the next time that you sit down to make. Not a feeling, not learning something and forgetting it the moment you walk out. A true skill. Find everything at the aiquilter.com.